Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pair your Voyager 5200 headset. First, ensure your headset is fully charged for optimal performance. Then, turn on your headset by simply sliding the power switch to the on position. For the best connection, place your headset within 3 feet of the device you wish to pair it with. This proximity helps ensure a smooth and quick pairing process. Next, we need to put your Voyager 5200 into pairing mode. Locate the call button on your headset and press, and hold it for about 6 seconds. You'll hear the voice prompt say pairing, and the LED indicator will flash red and blue. This visual and auditory cue confirms your headset is now discoverable and ready to connect. Now grab your smartphone or other device. Go into its Bluetooth settings menu. You should see PLTV 5200 appear in the list of available devices. Tap on it to select. If your device asks for confirmation, simply accept the connection. This step establishes the link between your headset and your chosen device. Once successfully paired, your headset will announce pairing successful, and the LED light will stop flashing red and blue, indicating a solid connection. Your Voyager 5200 is now ready to use for calls, music, or any audio you desire. Enjoy the clear sound and comfortable fit of your newly connected headset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.